Competition can be both beneficial and challenging for humans, depending on how it is approached, the context in which it occurs, and the individuals involved. Here's a detailed breakdown of the pros and cons of competition for humans. Benefits of competition for humans: motivation and improvement. Pushes people to do their best? Competition often serves as a powerful motivator. It pushes individuals to work harder, be more disciplined, and improve their skills. Whether it's in sports, academics, or business, the desire to win or perform better than others can lead to significant personal growth. Innovation. In fields like business and technology, competition often drives innovation. Companies and individuals strive to create better products, services, and ideas in response to competitors' actions. This, in turn, can lead to overall advancements in society. Sense of achievement. Recognition of effort. When someone competes and succeeds, the recognition and rewards that follow can create a deep sense of accomplishment and fulfillment. This helps boost confidence and self-esteem, leading to greater satisfaction in life. Teaches valuable life skills. Resilience. Competing often means facing setbacks, losses, or failures. Learning how to cope with these challenges and bounce back from them is a valuable life skill. Problem solving. In competitive environments, individuals often need to think quickly and strategically. This encourages critical thinking and decision-making, skills that are useful in many aspects of life. Teamwork. While competition often emphasizes individual achievement, many forms of competition require people to work together, teaching cooperation and collaboration. Social and economic development. Improved performance at societal levels. Healthy competition can encourage excellence in education, business, and sports, which contributes to the overall development of societies and economies. Healthy competition often leads to the creation of wealth, better standards of living, and higher overall productivity. Drawbacks of competition for humans: stress and anxiety. Pressure to win. High levels of competition can lead to excessive stress, anxiety, and burnout. The constant pressure to outperform others can negatively affect mental and physical health, especially if one's identity becomes too tied to competitive success. Unhealthy comparison. Over time, competition can lead individuals to compare themselves to others excessively. This can foster feelings of inadequacy, insecurity, and resentment. In highly competitive environments, there can be a tendency to prioritize personal achievement over teamwork and collective success. This focus on individual success can lead to less cooperation and a more individualistic mindset. Intense competition can sometimes foster an us versus them mentality, which can isolate people from one another and decrease social cohesion. Not everyone has the same resources, access, or opportunities to compete. For example, in sports or education, individuals from wealthier backgrounds might have access to better coaching, training, or education, giving them an unfair advantage over others. People who struggle to compete may feel marginalized or excluded, which can harm their self-esteem and lead to negative societal effects. Toxic competition. Cheating and unethical behavior. In some situations, competition can drive individuals or groups to engage in unethical behaviors such as cheating, lying, or exploiting others just to secure a win. Cheating and unethical behavior. In some situations, competition can drive individuals or groups to engage in unethical behaviors, such as cheating, lying, or exploiting others, just to secure a win. This can undermine trust and lead to long-term consequences for both individuals and communities. Overemphasis on winning. Sometimes the focus on winning at all costs can overshadow the value of learning and personal growth. In toxic competitive environments, the process of competition can become more important than the development of character, ethics, or skill. Competition can be a double-edged sword. It has the potential to drive excellence, innovation, and personal growth. However, if mismanaged or taken to unhealthy extremes, it can cause stress, anxiety, and division. For competition to be truly beneficial, it should be structured in a way that emphasizes fairness, cooperation, and personal development, rather than just focusing on the outcome. The key is to strike a balance between healthy competition and collaboration, ensuring that individuals are motivated but not overwhelmed or hurt by the competitive environment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational videos.